Good morning. How is everyone? I decided to try something freestyling. I don't know how it will work, but it may not, but we will try it. So I'm going to put some white down first. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed, please do if you feel free to. Hit the notification bell if you don't want to miss any of these lovely videos. Okay, so I'm just going to spread this white across so everything will flow very well. And we will get going. There we go. It's good enough for now. Okay. Now I'm going to add a little more just to kind of have a puddle. I don't know why, just because. Just because. Well, you know what? Maybe I shouldn't do that. Because what I was going to do is not just pour it in the middle. So let me not do that. Let me just spread this out as good as I can across. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to load this cup. I'm not sure if I want to do all the colors or not. Let's do this green. I did one the other day with the greens and it was so pretty. Green, 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 and blue, turquoise, and let's use some of this. This we did not use, but why not? Purple and magenta. Okay, and then I'm going to put a little white in between and do it again. Green, 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 blue, turquoise, and this color, like a dark something another, turquoise. Ooh, I got it full, and goodness, I didn't mean to get it that full, but I do that every time. Alright, so I'm gonna try something. Let's see if it works. Let me pour a little bit of that off. Okay. What do you think? Maybe, maybe not. Let's see what happens. Oh, you know what? Let's spin it. Got it on a spinner. Why not? Hold on. Let's see. Now my paint seems to be more down at this side, so I'm gonna kind of scooch it down this way. Now let's spin it again. pretty cool, huh? Cool, cool. I love these colors together. I don't know, something about it. All right, wow, that's pretty cool. What do you think? Let me know what you think. I'm gonna try something else in a minute, so I'll probably put 2 on this video. I'll be back in a minute. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am covering a boo-boo painting that I did. I don't know if you saw my other video, which I used some greens and blues in, but I tried the same type design with other colors and it was horrid. So I am covering it right back up. So I just poured some white on top and I'm gonna go again. That's what we do, right? We just go again. So here we go now. I'm not sure even what kind of design I'm even doing. I'm not prepared, but we'll come up with something. Let me pop some air bubbles. Because there's quite a few. Just mix the paints. So, trying to think of what design to do. Now, I guess I could just, let me get a cup. Now, I thought about doing something a little different, and let's do that. Okay, so what I was thinking earlier about was, instead of making one big cup, make small cups and, you know, pour them on that way. So let's try it. I'm gonna start with a little yellow. Now I'm not gonna put a lot in these, obviously. So just like, I don't think this will fit 2 layers. Not the way I pour, but I'm gonna try. To do this without overflowing my cups. It's nice to have a little room for when you start to pour, and I'm horrible about taking it all the way to the top and there's no room to do a thing. Notorious for that. So yeah, like that. That way you got a little room. So let's make all of them that way. Some orange, magenta, and purple, and blue, turquoise. Now I don't know how many I will make. I will make 3 for sure. Probably 4. Probably 4 cups will be about right. I was thinking I could maybe pour one this way, and then across this way. Let's try that and see what happens. And then blue, turquoise. Okay, one more cup. Leave me some comments and let me know what kind of freestyles that all of you have tried. I'm just curious as to what types you like, or let me know which kind you want to learn, that kind of thing, if you want to. All right, there's 4 cups, right? So what I was thinking is like making the squiggles, like On this one, I may not need 4, but I was gonna go down, like maybe down, up, down, up, down, up. Or maybe just down. Sometimes when you go up, you get muddy colors. So why don't we try, let's do it like this. Let's go. I didn't really mean to do it quite like that, but hey, it works. I guess you can pretty much do whatever you want here. You don't have to go in the same roundish style. So let's start this one on this side. Let's go. Like so. Yeah, I probably don't need 4. I could have gone with 3. Well, I'll do one more. I'm not going to do the other one, I don't think. Let's start. So we started here and there. Let's start maybe up here. Like that. What do you think? Bunch of squiggly lines. Alright. And then, you know, I guess I can spin it instead of tilt. Let's try that. See what happens. This will be cool. I was just for the most part trying to get rid of the the paint from the other one I did, which is gone on one side. Not, well, yeah, almost. Gone on that side. Let's move the paint down a little, spin it some more. That's pretty cool. And one good thing about the small cups is you lose a lot of that muddiness because you're not layering 100 times, you know. So that's one good thing about it. Let me stop in a minute and see. Okay, I like this. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Spin it one more time because it did have a lot of paint on it from the previous one I did, but I like this. This is pretty. Looks better than that thing I had going before. You ought to have seen it. Whoop. It's bad. You just never know, right, what you're gonna get. See, I did not need 4 cups. So I used 3 and it was perfect. I like this. It's very bright and colorful. There is no muddy whatsoever in it, nothing muddy. That's awesome. So the little cups do come in handy for that type thing. If you're having trouble with mud, you may want to get these little cups. I've still got a layer of paint here in this one, what I'm going to do with, but just small little like bathroom type, you know, little bathroom cups. All right, well, let me know if you like this. I think it's beautiful. And I'll see you guys next time, all right? Take care. Bye-bye.